In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable HSTS through Cloudflare. Many of you might be wondering why you should enable HSTS in the first place. It stands for HTTP Strict Transport Security, and it's a web security policy mechanism that helps protect your website from man-in-the-middle attacks and cookie hijacking. By ensuring that browsers only interact with your site through HTTPS, HSTS provides an additional layer of security, and it's a crucial step you can take for the safety of your website and its visitors. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you need to log into your Cloudflare account. Go ahead and open your web browser, navigate to the Cloudflare website, and enter your login credentials. If you use Google to sign in, simply click on Continue with Google and select your Google account to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you need to choose the domain for which you want to enable HSTS. Once you've selected your domain, look for the SSL TLS option on your dashboard. It's usually found somewhere in the middle of the page. Go ahead and click on SSL TLS. Afterwards, you'll notice a few tabs at the top of the page, and you should select Edge Certificates. Now we're getting closer to our goal. Within the Edge Certificates section, you need to find an option that says HTTP Strict Transport Security HSTS. This can typically be found further down the page, so scroll down if necessary. Once you spot it, click on Enable HSTS. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you understand what enabling HSTS means for your website. Essentially, turning on HSTS means that your site will not be available over HTTP, which may impact users who access it through outdated browsers. If you're on board with these terms, click on I understand to proceed. After confirming your choice, you'll be directed to the next step. Here, you'll see a toggle for enabling HSTS, usually labeled something like Enable HSTS, Strict Transport Security. Flip that toggle to turn it on. This action will activate HSTS for your website, helping ensure your site is communicated to securely by visitor browsers. Finally, to wrap everything up, look for the Save button. You need to click this to apply all the changes you've just made, and that completes the process. By following these steps, you've now successfully enabled HSTS on your domain through Cloudflare, providing an added layer of protection for your site and its users. Remember, while implementing security measures like HSTS is vital, it's just one part of a comprehensive web security strategy. Keep exploring and updating your security settings to ensure optimal protection. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.